10 eye-opening money secrets from 50 finance books. These aren't just any secrets, they are the distilled wisdom of some of the greatest financial minds out there. Imagine having the best tips and tricks from 50 different books, all in one place. You know I'm all about that financial freedom life, and I've been absolutely devouring tons of books on the topic, like 50 of them. Each book has its own unique perspective, and I've taken the best parts to share with you, so I decided to distill all that knowledge into 10 powerful insights that you can actually use to improve your financial game. These insights are not just theoretical, they are practical tips that you can start implementing today. We're talking about actionable advice, no fluff, just straight up wisdom to help you make smarter decisions with your money. From budgeting hacks to investment strategies, these tips cover a wide range of topics. So sit back, relax, and get ready to unlock some serious financial knowledge. Grab a notebook and pen, because you'll want to note down these golden nuggets of wisdom. A side note, watch the video till the end, because the last 2 secrets will open your eyes wide. Trust me, you don't want to miss them. Let's unlock the secrets to financial success together. Number 1, create your own luck. You hear it all the time. Oh, they're just lucky. But let me tell you, luck is often created. The more action you take, the more you put yourself out there, the luckier you become. It's like that saying, the harder I work, the luckier I get. So get out there, take those chances, and watch how luck seems to find you. Number 2, don't just live below your means. Robert Kiyosaki, the mastermind behind Rich Dad, Poor Dad, dropped some serious knowledge in his book, Second Chance. He said, don't just live below your means, obliterate them. Think about it. Don't just aim to save a little, aim to save a lot. Cut unnecessary expenses, find ways to increase your income, and crush those financial goals. Number 3, understand the money game. Look, the financial world can feel like a rigged game sometimes, and guess what? It kind of is. Banks and financial advisors often benefit from your lack of knowledge. So educate yourself, learn the rules, understand how money works, and don't be afraid to ask questions. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. Number 4, think big like Elon. Ever wonder how people like Elon Musk achieve such massive success? They think big. They don't limit themselves with small thinking. Now, I'm not saying you need to colonize Mars, but don't be afraid to dream big when it comes to your financial goals. Set ambitious targets and then break them down into smaller, achievable steps. Number 5, what's the worst that can happen? This advice doesn't come from a finance book, rather a self-improvement book. Dale Carnegie, the legend behind How to Stop Worrying and Start Living, had a great point. When facing a financial decision, ask yourself, what's the absolute worst that can happen? Often the worst-case scenario isn't that bad. This simple question can help you overcome fear and take calculated risks. Number 6, money is just a game. The most financially successful people understand that money is simply a tool, a game. It's not inherently good or bad. It's all about how you play the game. So learn the rules, develop your strategies, and don't be afraid to make bold moves. Number 7, the sunk cost fallacy. We've all been there. At some point in our lives, we've found ourselves clinging to something that no longer serves us, simply because we've already poured so much into it. We hold on to investments, jobs, or even relationships longer than we should, because we've already invested so much time, money, or energy. It's a common trap, and it can be incredibly difficult to break free from. This is the sunk cost fallacy. It's the misguided belief that we must continue with our current path because of the resources we've already committed, even when it's clear that moving on would be the better choice. Remember, the past is the past. The resources we've spent are gone, and holding on to them won't bring them back. It's important to recognize when it's time to let go. Focus on making the best decisions for your future, based on the current situation and future potential, rather than past investments. It's about being pragmatic and forward-thinking, even if it means cutting ties with something you've invested in heavily. Embrace the freedom that comes with making choices that align with your present and future goals. It's never too late to start anew. Number 8, get rich young. The Millionaire Fast Lane, MJ DeMarco's book. The Millionaire Fast Lane emphasizes the power of time. The younger you are when you start building wealth, the more time your money has to compound. So don't wait until you're older. Start investing early, even if it's just a small amount. Time is your greatest asset. If you are finding any value in this video, all I ask is for a quick like and subscribe. Trust me, you don't want to miss the topics we will cover in upcoming videos. Number 9, spend, save, invest. That's it. It might seem obvious, but there are only 3 things you can do with money: spend it, save it, or invest it. Finding the right balance between these 3 is crucial. Create a budget, track your spending, and make sure you're allocating enough to savings and investments. Number 10, buy assets, not liabilities. This one's straight from the Rich Dad, Poor Dad playbook. Assets put money in your pocket, liabilities take money out. Focus on acquiring assets like stocks, real estate, or businesses that generate income. And be mindful of liabilities like cars and expensive gadgets that drain your wealth. In today's fast-paced world, understanding and managing your finances is more crucial than ever. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your financial strategies, the key to success lies in continuous learning and application. These insights are not just theoretical. They are practical tips that have been tried and tested by financial experts and successful individuals alike. Each book offers a unique perspective, and when combined, they provide a comprehensive guide to financial freedom. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. The more you know, the better equipped you are to make informed decisions that can significantly impact your financial well-being. It's not just about earning money, it's about managing it wisely and making it work for you. By implementing these tips, you'll be well on your way to building a solid financial foundation. Start small, be consistent, and watch your efforts compound over time. Financial stability doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication and the right strategies, you can achieve your goals. If you want to know the sacrifices you need to make to become a millionaire, check out the video on the top right corner. Now I want to hear from you. Your journey is unique and your experiences can inspire others. Sharing your thoughts and insights can create a community of like-minded individuals striving for financial success. Which of these secrets resonated with you the most? Was it the importance of budgeting, the power of investing, or perhaps the value of continuous education? Your feedback is invaluable and it helps us tailor our content to better serve your needs. Let me know in the comments below. Your engagement not only helps us grow, but also fosters a supportive community where we can all learn and grow together. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome financial content. We have a lot more valuable information and tips coming your way, so stay tuned and be part of our journey towards financial empowerment. Until next time, take care and keep crushing it. Remember, every step you take towards improving your financial literacy is a step towards a brighter, more secure future. Keep learning, keep growing, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself.